Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this FreeCAD guide for 2026, I'll show you how to create technical drawings in FreeCAD. Whether you're preparing manufacturing documents, engineering plans, workshop drawings, or professional design documentation, FreeCAD provides powerful tools for generating detailed technical drawings from your three-dimensional models. So let's get started. First, open FreeCAD and load the project containing the model you want to document. Before creating a drawing, make sure your design is complete and all dimensions are finalized. Next, switch to the TechDraw Workbench. This workbench is specifically designed for creating professional two-dimensional technical drawings from three-dimensional models. If changes are made to the three-dimensional model later, FreeCAD can often update the technical drawing automatically, helping maintain consistency between the design and documentation. Once the drawing is complete, save your project and export the technical drawing as a PDF or another supported format for sharing, printing, or professional documentation. And that's how to create technical drawings in FreeCAD. By using the TechDraw Workbench, you can transform three-dimensional models into professional engineering documentation ready for manufacturing and collaboration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.